Ever wondered how to properly clean your air fryer? Well, it's not just about keeping it looking spick and span. Regular maintenance and cleaning are vital for your air fryer's effective operation. Neglecting this can lead to a buildup of food particles and oil, which not only affects the taste of your food, but can also pose a fire hazard. It's a simple task that can make a big difference in your cooking. So, now that we understand why it's crucial, let's dive into the process of cleaning an air fryer. Before we start the cleaning, we first need to gather the right tools. In our case, these are a soft sponge, a microfiber cloth, some dish soap, vinegar, and a soft bristle brush. It's crucial we stick to these tools, as they are gentle enough not to damage the non-stick surface of your air fryer. Avoid anything abrasive, as this can cause harm to the surface and reduce the lifespan of your appliance. With these items at hand, we are ready to start the cleaning process. The first step is to unplug your air fryer and allow it to cool completely. Now that we've got our safety measures in place, it's time to roll up those sleeves and dive into the cleaning process. Let's begin with the removable parts of the air fryer, the basket and the pan. Gently lift them out of the appliance, taking care not to scratch or damage them in the process. Once they're out, it's time for a warm soapy bath. Fill your sink or a large basin with warm water and a squirt of dish soap. Submerge the basket and pan in the soapy water and let them soak for a bit. This will help loosen any stubborn food particles and grease. After they've had their soak, grab your trusty soft sponge and give them a thorough but gentle scrub. Pay particular attention to any areas where food may have stuck or burnt. Remember, we're not trying to scrub the life out of them, just the grime. Rinse them well under warm water and set them aside to dry. Next, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the air fryer, the heating element. This is a crucial part of your appliance, and it's important to keep it clean to ensure your air fryer continues to work efficiently. But remember, this is not a part you want to submerge in water. Instead, use a damp cloth to gently wipe the heating element. Make sure the cloth is not dripping wet, just damp enough to pick up any dust or grime. Now let's move on to the interior of the air fryer. This is where a soft bristle brush comes in handy. Gently brush away any food particles that may have made their way into the nooks and crannies. Follow up with a damp cloth to wipe away any remaining residue. After these steps, your air fryer should already look a lot cleaner, but we're not done yet. So stick around as we delve deeper into the cleaning process in the next part. The next step involves a deeper cleaning of the air fryer. So, let's start with the exterior. Grab a microfiber cloth and dampen it slightly. It's important to use a soft cloth like this to avoid scratching the surface. Now gently wipe the exterior of the air fryer. Be sure to clean the control panel and handle as well. Remember, it's just a light wipe down. We're not looking to drench the device. Now let's move on to the fan. This can be a bit tricky, but it's crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your air fryer. For this, you'll need a small brush and a vinegar solution. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a dish. Dip the brush in the solution and gently clean the fan. The vinegar will help break down any stubborn grime stuck to the fan blades. Finally, we're on to the drying process. This is just as important as the cleaning itself. We need to ensure all parts are completely dry before reassembling. You can use a dry towel or let the parts air dry. Remember, moisture can lead to mold development or even damage the electrical components of the air fryer. So take your time, make sure every part is bone dry before you put it all back together. And voila, your air fryer is now clean and ready for your next cooking adventure. So to summarize the key points from our air fryer cleaning guide. Regular cleaning of your air fryer is crucial to prolong its lifespan and maintain its performance. The essential tools for this task include a soft sponge, a microfiber cloth, and a mild detergent. Our step-by-step process showed you how to clean both the interior and exterior of the air fryer, ensuring all nooks and crannies are grime-free. Remember, a clean air fryer not only lasts longer, but also ensures that your meals taste just as they should. Happy cooking!